Millennium Challenge Account Zambia was the meeting place. Prospective bidders for contract package number 1, CP1, gathered and waited for transportation to the various sites where rehabilitation works will be done. CP1 comprises rehabilitation works of Iolanda Waterworks, transmission and distribution centers. After registration and other logistics were done, the bidders were driven to the first site in Kafue, the Iolanda Waterworks. MCA Zambia Infrastructure Director, Mr. Chipiri Chikamba, flanked by water supply specialist Luenga Mwape, and other MCA Zambia members of staff were on hand to guide the bidders through the plant.
Okay, so we'll start from the back there.
Iolanda Water Treatment Works was commissioned in 1970 and received minor rehabilitation works in 1978, 1988 and the year 2010. Some of the main components of the plant are the intake, receiving well and flash mixing chamber, flocculation chamber, upflow sedimentation basins, rapid gravity sand filters and contact clear water tank. Civil works, electrical and mechanical works, improvement of the water treatment process, replacement of 40 pipes fittings along the transmission mains as well as within the treatment plant, and distribution centers will have to be carried out to reinstate the design capacity of 110 megaliters per day.
From where we're from, the high lift pumps that we saw, the capacity of those ones, which we're saying was at 1,530 cubic meters per hour. We have the same configuration here. Okay, so from there, water is pumped up to a height of 150 meters to here. Then from here, it's now pumped to Lusaka. So we have two reservoirs here, where the water is pumped, where the water is pumped to, and then from here, it's now pumped to Lusaka.
Chilanga Water Booster Station was also visited by the bidders.
The reservoirs down there, they're just behind this container, and then from there, we can now go down and see the pumps that are in there. Gentlemen and ladies, Hi. Yeah, I'm getting better.
Next stop was Waterworks in Libala South. Just like the first two sites, a lot of work has to be done here. After waterworks, the bidders were taken to Stewart Park, another distribution center. Stewart Park is a well-planned area with some of the biggest concrete reservoirs in Zambia.
SCADA installation levels, physical parameters.
Other water distribution centers that will be rehabilitated under CP1 are High Court, Mass Media, Charleston, 7C Reservoir, Chawama, and Woodlands. It was a hot day, and touring the plant and distribution centers soon took its toll on the visitors. Fortunately, water was close by for them to quench their thirst and to cool off. After a long but informative day, the bidders were satisfied with what they had seen and had an idea how big the scope of work under CP1 is.